Hey, what's up guys? We're doing video 21, synthetic division with complex numbers. Let's begin. Alright, we're going to show 1 minus 2i is a 0 of f of x equals 4x to the fourth plus 17x squared plus 14x plus 65. And we're going to find all other zeros of that. So what we could do is just plug 1 minus 2i in for x and solve. However, that is going to be long, gross, and difficult. So instead, what we are going to do is synthetic division. Alright, what I did here was I started off by just rewriting the equation so that the following top line is easier to write out. It helps me do that, and you don't need to, but I like doing it. So what we're going to do here is bring down the 4 and multiply it by 1 minus 2i. Here you get 4 minus 8i, and then you add 0 to that, which you just get 4 minus 8i. Next, we multiply that again by 1 minus 2i, which you get negative 12 minus 16i, and just add 17 to that. You're going to get 5 minus 16i, multiply it, add 14, you get negative 13 minus 26i, multiply it and add 65, you get 0. A quick cheat is just store the 1 minus 2i in your calculator to make the multiplication and addition and the steps a lot easier for yourself. Do this by hitting second period to get the I, then type 1 minus 2i and store that in your calculator. To store it, all you're going to do is hit store right there, then alpha, and then any other variable. But normally I choose A. It doesn't matter though. So next, this is exactly what we just did before, but now we're going to use the second conjugate, 1 plus 2i. And we're going to do with the same thing that we did above. Bring the 4 down, multiply it by 1 plus 2i to get 4 plus 8i. Add 4 minus 8i to that, you get 8. Multiply it, add 5 minus 16i, you get 13. Multiply it, add negative 13 minus 26i to it, and you get 0. Here we are starting to form our following and last equation to get our answer, which is 4x squared plus 8x plus 13. With that, it's going to be hard to factor, so what we are going to have to do is use the quadratic formula. Here, just plug in your values, and you're going to get negative 8 plus or minus 12i over 8. But we're going to clean that up, and we're going to get negative 1 plus or minus 3/2 I. And don't forget your conjugates, 1 plus or minus 2i as your answer. I hope that this helped out, and thank you for watching the video.